מה קורה צופים וצופות יקרים? כאן עידן מאתר Widgeti, והיום אפל ערכה את אירוע ההשקה השנתי שלה של הסתיו, בו היא חשפה מכשירים רבים לצד עדכוני תוכנה מסיביים לשלל המכשירים שלה. האירוע לקח מעל לשעה והחלטנו לערוך אותו לסרטון שכולל את כל החלקים החשובים מההשקה הזאת שערכה מעל לשעה לסרטון של פחות מ8 דקות, בו תוכלו ליהנות מהחוויה של ההשקה של אפל מבלי הצורך לצפות בסרטון של מעל לשעה. רגע לפני שעוברים להשקה עצמה, אני מזמין אתכם כבר עכשיו להירשם לערוץ, ואם אתם רשומים לערוץ אל תשכחו ללחוץ על כפתור הפעמון על מנת שלא תפספסו שום סרטון חדש. וכמובן אל תשכחו לפרגן בלייק, הסרטון הזה עלה רק כמה שעות לאחר שההשקה קרתה בפועל. אז בואו נעבור להשקה עצמה.
Good morning and welcome. We are so pleased that you could join us today. We've got some really exciting product announcements to share with you.
This is the new Apple Watch Series 6, the perfect combination of powerful features and beautiful design. Series 6 is our most colorful lineup ever. There's a new blue aluminum case, this updated classic gold stainless steel finish, a new gray-black stainless steel called graphite, and for the first time, a stunning new Apple Watch product red. Now on the inside, Series 6 is packed with incredible technology, including a new health sensor that enables an amazing new capability. With Apple Watch Series 6, you can measure your blood oxygen right from your wrist. The new blood oxygen app lets you take a measurement in just 15 seconds. Inside Series 6 is our 6th generation system in package. The S6 is up to 20% faster than the previous generation. That's Apple Watch Series 6, the most advanced Apple Watch ever. We think you're going to love all the amazing new features. The second thing we're doing to make Apple Watch available to even more people is to create a new model that combines elements of Series 6 design with the most essential features of Apple Watch, all at a more affordable price. We call it Apple Watch SE. Apple Watch SE has the features customers love. It has everything you need to stay connected, be more active, and keep an eye on your health. And like Series 6, Apple Watch SE uses our largest and most advanced watch display, allowing you to see so much more at a glance. More information and apps on your watch face, more in messages, calendar, and maps. Apple Watch SE uses the S5 chip for up to 2 times faster performance than Series 3. And staying connected is even easier with the cellular models, which allow you to make phone calls, send messages, and more, even without your phone. And with family setup, cellular models of Apple Watch SE will also be great for kids. With all of these features and more, including the new capabilities in watchOS 7, we think Apple Watch SE will be the perfect watch for many new customers. Apple Watch SE starts at just $279. Apple Watch Series 6 with the breakthrough new blood oxygen sensor starts at just $399.
The new iPad 8th generation. It's more capable than ever, and it starts with the A12 Bionic. This chip is a powerhouse. It features a powerful CPU and super fast GPU. Compared to the already fast chip in last year's iPad, it has a 40% faster CPU and delivers a massive 2 times jump in graphics. With iPadOS 14, the already amazing experience of Apple Pencil gets even better. These powerful handwriting and note-taking features join a host of other new features that continue to push what's possible on iPad. And it all runs beautifully on the new iPad 8th generation. With its 10.2-inch Retina display, huge performance boost from the A12 Bionic, keyboard and pencil support, great cameras, and so much more. And it starts at just $329.
And that's not all. As I told you, we're updating our entire full-size lineup. So that brings us to iPad Air. iPad Air was designed to deliver pro features at a very affordable price. And today, we are thrilled to introduce an all-new, completely redesigned iPad Air. And here it is.
Each element of iPad Air is meticulously crafted, from the precisely machined top button to the sculpted detail around the camera. And the new iPad Air design comes in 5 gorgeous colors, including a new rose gold, green, and sky blue finish. Our customers are going to love these colors. And this new design features a stunning liquid retina display. In the same footprint as the previous Air, the new iPad Air features a larger 10.9-inch liquid retina display with a resolution of 2360 by 1640. That's over 3.8 million pixels for extra crisp text and photos. So we designed a next-generation Touch ID and integrated it right into the top button. This provides convenient and secure authentication while allowing the display to extend on all sides. This is the smallest authentication sensor we have ever designed, and it delivers the same performance, ease of use, and security you know and trust from Touch ID. So this is the new iPad Air, featuring a 10.9-inch liquid retina display, next-generation Touch ID, a huge boost in performance with A14 Bionic, USB-C, advanced cameras, Wi-Fi 6, and LTE that's 60% faster.
So today, I'm excited to introduce Apple One. Apple One gives you and your family all the services you love in one simple plan. It starts with iCloud, the essential service that safely stores your personal photos, videos, and files, so you can access them from anywhere. Apple Music, where you can stream 70 million songs from all your favorite artists. Apple TV Plus, with Apple original series and films. Apple Arcade, with over 100 incredibly fun games you can play anytime, anywhere. Apple One also includes Apple News Plus, with leading newspapers and hundreds of magazines. And of course, Apple Fitness Plus, with its immersive studio workouts, powered by Apple Watch.
What a great day of announcements. We will also be releasing major OS updates tomorrow, beginning with iOS 14, a huge release that transforms the core experience of iPhone with redesigned widgets right on the home screen, a new way to organize your apps with the app library, and a new and even faster way to experience apps the moment you need them with App Clips. iPadOS 14, which lets you do even more with Apple Pencil, provides huge improvements to iPad apps and takes the iPad experience even further. watchOS 7 provides a whole new way to discover and share watch faces, a new sleep app, automatic hand washing detection, and provides additional workouts and fitness metrics. And tvOS 14, which makes your big screen experience even better with improved picture-in-picture, audio sharing with AirPods, Apple Music lyrics, secure camera feeds from HomeKit, and multi-user gaming support. All of these new releases will be available tomorrow. And all of the products we announced today will ship with these OS updates. Thank you all for joining us.